we have to find value of x. Let's put that this is angle A, B, and C. We have triangle ABC, and this arc, red arc, tell us that these two angles are congruent. So it means that we have here isosceles triangle, and if angle A is measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B, or we can write that angle A is congruent to angle B, it means that side AC, segment AC, is congruent to BC. So we can write that AC is equal to BC. AC is given by 40, and this is equal. BC is given by expression 4x plus 8. So now I remove 8 to the left side, so we have 40 minus 8 is equal 4x. 40 minus 8 is 32 is equal 4x. Now we will divide by 4 both sides. So 4 and 4 will reduce, and we have that x is equal 8. We found value of x. This is my solution.